Hi children, nice to meet you again. Welcome to all of you all. I hope all of you are following the lessons and taking notes of it and studying out of it. Today what I want to do is I want to start on scientific notation or scientific notation, or in some books they call it as standard form. So for example, suppose we write a number, we'll say 2000. 2000. Now we have to write this. We can write this in what you call scientific notation or in standard form. When we are writing this in standard form, what we do is we write the 2 and then we put into 10 to the power of 3. 2000 into 10 to the power of 3. 2000, 2 into 10 to the power of 3. So this is the scientific notation for this number. So if we have a number like this, we say 7,000. We write this as 7 into 10 to the power of 3. If we take another number, we will say 900,000. 900,000. Now what we do is we write 9 and into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power of 5. Count the zeros. So this is easy. Now 2000 when you write in scientific notation, it is 2 into 10 to the power of 3. 7,000 when you write in scientific notation, 7 into 10 to the power of 3. 900,000, 9 to 10 to the power of 5. So if you write, we will say 5 million. That's equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 6. 6 zeros. So these when you have a number like this is how we write. Suppose if we have the number, we'll say a different one. Supposing we have a number 150. We want to write this in scientific notation. How to write this? We can't write 15 into 10. Always it should be start with one number. 1 and a decimal point and 5. We don't write the end zero. So into 10 to the power of, now we have put the decimal point here. 1.5 means we put the decimal point here. So from here to here, now here also there is a decimal point. We know whole number, there is a decimal point. So here to here there are two numbers, 10 to the power of 2. So 150, we don't write 15 to 10, but we write 1.5, always to be one digit and a decimal. 1.5 into 10 to the power of 2. We will take another number, not the exact. 2560 we will say. That is equal to 2 point. And we will write 5 and 6. We don't write the end zeros. Into 10 to the power of, now we put the decimal here. So here to here there are 3 numbers, 10 to the power of 3. We will take another number, 462,000. 462,000. We always start with first number, 4 point, and all the other numbers we will write, 62. But we don't write the end zeros. Into 10 to the power of how many? Now we put the decimal here. So here to here how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power of 5. Just a case of quantitative numbers, that's all. So if we have a number, we'll say 19 million. So to write this in scientific notation, what you do is, we don't write, we write 1.9 into 10 to the power of. Now here we just count the zeros and the number from this end to this end. So it will be 3, 6 and 1, 7, 10 to the power of 7. So 19 million, when you write in standard form, it is 1.9 into 10 to the power of 7. So this is how, we will take another example. 4,780, 478,000. 478,000. We are writing scientific notation. That will be 4.78 into. Now we put the decimal here. From here to here, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power of 5. So these all you should know about scientific notation when you are writing numbers like this. We'll take another example. Supposing we have a number 0.07. How to write this in scientific notation? What you do is this. Now here, always we must start with the first digit and decimal point. So it will be 7 point into 10 to the power of. Now we put here 7.0, you can put 7.0 even, no problem, 7.0. So we put the decimal here. So here we have to come to this decimal, we have to come backwards. So in number line we know toward the right is positive, toward the left is negative. So 0.07 we write 10 to the power of minus 2. Why we write minus 2? Because we put the decimal here, that it come into backwards this decimal. So there are two numbers. So 10 to the power of minus 2. We'll take another number, 0.00042. That's equal to 4.2 into 10 to the power of. Now we have put the decimal here. From here to here, how many numbers? You are coming backwards to this decimal. How many numbers we are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power of minus 4. Why do we put minus? Because we come backwards to the left hand side. When we go to the right hand side, what we did in the earlier sums, we put positive 5. So here it is, we are coming backwards, so it is 10 to the power of minus 4. We will take another answer, 0.01. That is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power of. So now you have put the decimal here. 1 point means you put the decimal here. We have to come to this decimal two places backwards. So 10 to the power of minus 2. Look at this one. 0.0000526 equals. We start with the first number 5.26 into 10 to the power of 5.26. So we have put the decimal here. So from here to here, how many numbers? 4 and 1, 5. So 10 to the power of minus 5. Why do you put minus 5? Because from this decimal we are coming to this decimal backwards, left hand side. When you come from left hand side, it is always minus. So this is how it comes. Look at this one, 0.421. That is equal to 4.21. Always we should have first number and decimal. 4.21 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power. Now here we put the decimal here. So here to here you have to come backwards one number, so minus 1. So all these sums are like that, children. You have to just count the numbers and put the decimal. If you are going to right hand side, look at this one. The population of China, we will say 1,200 million. This is the population of China, 1,200 million. If you write this in standard form, it is 1.2 into 10 to the power of. Now here we are putting the decimal and we are going to the right. How many numbers we are going to write? 3, 6, 9, 10 to the power of 9. Why? It is plus 9 because we are from here we are going to the right. But here it is, we are going from here, this pair we are coming to the left, so minus. So it is right means positive, left means negative. So these are all for this, children. Scientific notation, there is nothing more that you have to learn on this. I hope you have liked the lesson. Please subscribe if you have liked it. Thank you.